Unless you practice every single day, unless you listen to people, you won't become fluent in English. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to practice every single day and you have to listen to people. And as usual, I come up with the topic and I make you practice. So let's begin the session now. So the first topic would be I'm accustomed to. I'm accustomed to. What does it mean? Accustomed to means in the habit of. If you say I'm in the habit of waking up early in the morning, you can say I'm accustomed to waking up early in the morning. Okay, so let's see some examples now using I'm accustomed to. You can change subject accordingly. All right, so I'm accustomed to waking up early in the morning. I'm accustomed to drinking tea in the morning. I'm accustomed to eating rice every day. I'm accustomed to taking the bus to work. I'm accustomed to living in a noisy city. I'm accustomed to using a computer, habits and preference. I'm accustomed to studying alone. I'm accustomed to eating spicy food. I'm accustomed to watching TV in the evening. I'm accustomed to wearing jeans. I'm accustomed to listening to music while working. I'm accustomed to taking a shower in the morning. So the next topic would be having plus past participle. So let's see some examples. Having finished my homework, I went to bed. You can say after finishing my homework, I went to bed. That would be okay as well. Okay, so let's see here having plus past participle. Okay, so the second sentence would be having eaten breakfast, I went to school. Having taken a shower, I got dressed. Having watched the movie, I rented it. Having studied hard, I passed the exam. Having lost my keys, I couldn't get into the house. Having met her before, I knew her name. Having cooked dinner, I called my friends over. Having cleaned the house, I relaxed with a book. Having done the laundry, I folded the clothes. Having paid the bills, I felt relieved. Having bought groceries, I started cooking. Having booked the tickets, I packed my suitcase. Having missed the bus, I had to take a taxi. Having arrived at the airport, I checked in my luggage. The next topic would be phrases using it causes. It causes. It causes pollution. It causes pollution. It causes stress. It causes problems. It causes pain. It causes fear. It causes anger. It causes allergy. It causes sleeplessness. It causes headaches. It causes people to feel tired. It causes the environment to suffer. It causes animals to become endangered. It causes children to be unhappy. It causes plants to die. It causes the economy to decline. Next is I'm endeavoring to. Endeavoring, I'm working very hard. You can use endeavoring. I'm endeavoring to learn English better. I'm endeavoring to cook dinner tonight. I'm endeavoring to finish my homework. I'm endeavoring to understand this problem. I'm endeavoring to be more patient. I'm endeavoring to save money. I'm endeavoring to help my friend. I'm endeavoring to lose weight. I'm endeavoring to find a new job. I'm endeavoring to get fit. I'm endeavoring to stop smoking. I'm endeavoring to make new friends. Next one is more than enough. There is more than enough food for everyone. We have more than enough money to buy a new car. She has more than enough clothes in her closet. They have more than enough time to finish the project. There is more than enough space in the apartment. We have more than enough water to water the plants. She has more than enough books to read. They have more than enough toys to play with. There is more than enough coffee for everyone. We have more than enough sugar to bake a cake. She has more than enough patience to teach children. They have more than enough courage to face their fears. There is more than enough love in the world. We have more than enough reasons to be happy. She has more than enough friends to support her. Does it cause? Does it cause pollution? Does it cause problems? Does it cause stress? Does it cause pain? Does it cause allergy? Does it cause weight gain? Does it cause sleep problems? Does it cause addiction? Does it cause a headache? Does it cause a rash? Does it cause a fever? Does it cause stomachache? Next one is, having finished my homework, did I remember to save it? Having eaten breakfast, did I brush my teeth? Having watched the news, did I turn off the TV? Having taken a shower, did I put on clean clothes? Having read the book, did I return it to the library? Having met my friends, did I go to the cinema? Having studied for the test, did I feel confident? Having missed the bus, did I decide to walk? Having lost my keys, did I call my friend for help? Having bought groceries, did I remember to get milk? Having cooked dinner, I was very happy. Having cleaned my room, it looked much better. Having learned English, I can travel more easily. Having played football, I was very tired. Having visited the museum, I bought some postcards. Next one is either, or you can say either or. Okay, so let's see some examples using either or. I'm either happy or sad. I'm either hungry or full. I'm either tall or short. I'm either young or old. I'm either tired or awake. I'm either inside or outside. I'm either sitting or standing. I'm either talking or listening. I'm either walking or running. I'm either hot or cold. I'm either wet or dry. I'm either clean or dirty. I'm either happy or angry. I'm either scared or brave. I'm either strong or weak.